Hello guys, welcome back to another inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to reset Panasonic Cordless phone to factory settings. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering how to exactly reset your Panasonic Cordless phone here. Now if your Panasonic Cordless phone is not working properly or you want to erase all settings here, in this case performing a factory reset can actually help. So how do we perform a factory reset? So first things first is you want to make sure both the phone and the base station here are powered on. Now you want to press and hold the following buttons at the same time, which is going to be 1, and then 5, and 9. Now you should hear a beep and the phone will power off automatically. Now, do not turn it back on yet. So what you need to do next is you want to unplug the base station from the power source here and wait for about 10 to 20 seconds. Now plug it back in to erase or to ensure a full reset here. Now take the batteries out of your phone here, and again you want to wait for a few moments, then plug the batteries back in. Now once the phone powers on, the factory reset here is complete, and in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.